All right, well, it's going to be a nice day to celebrate Dad other than the wind. So I'm going to track that wind and tell you just how gusty it's going to be tomorrow because we are going to have windy conditions. But take a look at the high temperature, not too shabby, especially for July. There's 13 first alert Desert Doppler from the wider perspective. We have a couple of things going on here to our east. All that moisture that we thought potentially could make its way into the valley, but it just pushed off to the east. And then as you look a little bit farther to the north, there's the last 6 hours on a satellite radar composite. There's a system that's going to be moving in and continue to bring us wind and even crank it up a little bit more. So you see in the next 24 hours that system coming closer. You think, could the rain make it into Las Vegas? It just doesn't. The center of the system stays to our north along with most of the cloud cover, and the center continues to move on, but that means that still for the beginning of the work week we could still see a little bit of wind. So here are the gusts we're expecting over the next several days. Tomorrow, the gustiest of the bunch with peak wind gusts to about 40 miles per hour. That means sustained wind speeds out of the southwest between about 15 and 25, particularly for the first part of the day. On Monday, we're down to the breezy category, but still that system moving through the area. Tuesday, Wednesday, 20-mile-per-hour gusts, so just the occasional breeze. By then, most of the system will be gone, although we're getting another little batch of energy on Thursday that's going to just drag in some cloud cover. Again, there are the sustained wind speeds for tomorrow. If you're in southern portions of the valley like Henderson, the southwest, maybe out in Boulder City, you're going to get the strongest gusts. And take a look at that 4 o'clock wind speed. Again, these are sustained at 22 miles per hour. The good news is that the system is going to keep us below average, which is really good news for July. Almost 10 degrees below average on Monday. Then we get closer to where we should be in averages for this time of year, right around 100 degrees. Your allergy forecast is going to remain low to close to moderate, but really as we get to Tuesday, Wednesday, quite low. So anybody that suffers from allergies, that's definitely some good news. In the 90s right now as we speak, still those winds going, particularly again in the south and southwest. 26-mile-per-hour winds sustained in Henderson. Overnight, low to mid 70s for the most part, 70 in Anthem, Southern Highlands at 72, and Henderson, Boulder City also at 72 degrees. And the numbers for tomorrow looking really nice. Take a look at Summerlin, 88 degrees, 93 for central portions of the valley, 94 in Henderson, and 91 in Anthem. A closer look at your day planner for tomorrow. By lunchtime, a nice 87 degrees. So it's going to be nice if you want to do things outside. Unfortunately, the winds could put a little bit of a damper on that. There's your 13 first alert 7-day planner. Little windy over the next couple of days, then temperatures will crank back up. We'll be back in the triple digits by Wednesday, and then well into them on Thursday. We'll get a little bit of a breeze on Thursday, rather, a break on Friday, and then the breezes will be back on Saturday, and temperatures are going to stay consistent close to 105 Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So if you're not a fan of the heat, enjoy the 90s while you can. Back to you.